Say goodbye. You gonna say goodbye, Peach? You say goodbye? No? Bye! Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome biggity back, y'all. Hey, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello. If you are not new here, then it's just welcome back. My name is Kelsi, and I have lost 115 pounds with the help of my tool, the VSG or the sleeve. It's my hope that through my videos, you're able to find the answers to questions you've been looking for, or the path to choosing surgical weight loss is that much easier. Hi, you guys. Hi. I am in my negligee for the boudoir. That's Peach. I really was scared to do this video, mainly because there's like some controversy around Shein. I never know how to pronounce it. And I just didn't want to offend anybody, and I didn't want to ruffle any feathers, so I posted a community tab post on Instagram and asked you guys if you wanted to see a kind of like a work friendly haul, because a lot of the hauls that I've done have not been work friendly. They've been more of like for vacation or for like, just being out here being a hot girl. So I figured, let me put some feelers out here, see how everybody is feeling. Peach, hey, hang on. Put some feelers out there, see how you guys are feeling about the whole Shein thing, and you guys were with it. So I figured, okay, let me go ahead and do the video. So I'm going to be doing some pieces that I feel like are kind of work friendly, at least for me. I feel like, they fit my style. They may not be your style, but I am going to link the links to these pieces in this video. I hadn't been doing that, and I get a lot of questions about them. Excuse the background of my video. I didn't even clean up this time. I just pushed my blanket to the other side of the bed along with the pillows. It's like 9 o'clock at night, but I wanted to get this done because I wanted to wear one of these tomorrow after I wash them. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the video without further ado. I hope you guys enjoy it. I don't have as many pieces as I have had in the past, but still, I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you here. All right, so this is the first piece, and I am already in love. I get a lot of compliments when I wear this color. This is like a mustard yellow. So it has faux buttons in the front. And I told you guys I love dresses that cinch in right here. And it also comes with a tie right here. Now, there's nothing. It doesn't like tighten or anything, but it also zips in the back. Let me step back. I was a little worried when I picked it up because I was like, oh, is this gonna fit? But it fits. Look at it. I could have went down a size. This is a 2X, which is a 16 on Shein, and I could have went down. I really love the ruffle aspect of it, but it fits perfectly. I'm so glad I didn't order a 2 or a 3X. like I have done in other videos, but I feel like this is so work appropriate. I have a pair of like snake skin, like strappy shoes, and then I have a pair of like leopard strappy shoes. I feel like they would both go really cute with this. Some gold flats, some neutral or teal flat, or I'm sorry, neutral or tan flats. I really like this. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm definitely going to give this a 10. I love this so much. I think it's so cute. So cute. I'm going to give you guys a closer view again. All right, on to the next. All right, we are on the next piece. Don't worry about the other one just being thrown on the bed back there. This material, let me adjust this. The easiest way for me to describe it is going to be like a scuba material here, and it has like the nice ruffling of the shoulders, And then it comes down, and of course it cinches at the waist here. And it has like a, I don't know what kind of fabric this could be considered, but it's not the same as up here. But it has a nice, beautiful floral pattern. It has a good stretch on it. It fits me just the way I would like it to fit. It is perfect, I feel like, for the workplace. It's casual yet trendy. It is very, very, very cute. It doesn't have a zipper. And I am checking the tags to make sure there's no hidden messages, and I haven't found any yet. So, yeah. But I really like it. I feel like it's very flattering on me. So I'm going to give you guys a good close-up. This is a size 2X once again. And yeah, I'm going to give you guys another close-up and another view of the dress. On a scale of 1 to 10, I give this a 8. Not my favorite, but I like it. I mean, I feel like it's appropriate for work. It fits me. I'm happy with it. Now we are on to the next piece. All right, we are back. This is the third piece. Once again, it has the faux buttons and it cinches at the waist. Like I told you guys, this is going to be the most familiar type of style, like a dress that I purchased, because it fits my body type. I'm bigger in the midsection. So yeah, this is also in a 2X. It's in a hunter green. I'm sorry, a 2X, which is considered a size 16 at Shein. So yes, it is the same fit as the previous two dresses. Cinches at the waist. It comes up a little bit right here. I feel like it's really cute, very fun, very casual, very sporty. I would definitely put on a little bit of shapewear because of the kind of fabric that this is. It's definitely like a cotton polyester blend. I like it. I mean, it's not my favorite. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this about a 6. It's okay. It's okay. It ain't up there with the orange one or the yellow one. It ain't up there. So I'm going to give you guys a good close-up of the dress. Let me know in the comments if you guys think I should keep this dress or send it back. I like it, but I feel like, I don't know, I think it's a little clingy here. Definitely a little clingy, but it's nothing a little bit of shapewear can't handle. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. All right, on to the next one. All right, you guys, we are back with the next piece. I love this dress. I love the color. I feel like it is classy and sophisticated. It's fun enough to wear to work, and I don't have to wear a cardigan with this. I can wear this just by itself because it is super hot here in Alabama, but I really like this. So it's basically a cotton or polyester mix. Cinches right here in a beautiful dusty rose color. It is a 2X. On a scale of 1 to 10, I am going to give this a 9 because I like it so much. You're going to step back and look at it. It is definitely a midi dress. It comes down below the knee and it has this faux buttoning all the way down. This is from what's called the Emery Rose portion. I don't know. A lot of times the Emery Rose things that I get, they seem to be a little bit of a different quality than the other just regular Shein things. Like this is the bag. The bag says Emery Rose, and then this is just the regular Shein bag. So I don't know the difference. I don't know if they're made by different people, companies, whatever. But I really do like the way this fits. I love the way it feels. It feels like a really good quality. I really like this dress. So I'm going to give you guys a close-up on the dress, and then we have 2 more pieces to go. But yes, I love this so much. It'd be so cute with some chucks or with sandals or with heels. I can wear it with a blue jean jacket. There's so many things you can do with a dress like this, and I feel like it's perfect for the workplace. All right, so we are on to the next one. See you in a second. All right, you guys, so we are back again. This dress is probably the one that I looked forward to the most out of everything that I bought, even more than the yellow one. Even though I gave that one a 10, this is the one that I looked for the most. So this is once again, a dress. I have no pants in this haul at all. So this dress, I can't explain what kind of fabric this is. It's not silk. It's like it may be fully polyester. I'm not sure, but I am loving it. It's got a nice ribbing here on it, if you can't tell, and the stretch is very, very nice. This is in a 2X, and the color was a dusty rose. It has this like crisscross, type of vibe here, and it gives a good coverage of the girls. That is something that I struggle a lot with, because losing weight, I didn't lose it here. It's still here. So I'm going to give a step back. Once again, it cinches at the waist, and I kind of call it like a fit and flare type of dress, but this one is definitely more clingy. Gonna have to have on shapewear, but I love it so, so, so much. I mean, it is giving what it is supposed to give. I love it. It is short, but I'm short. So, it comes down to an appropriate length in the front. Definitely an appropriate length in the back. Once again, this dress can be dressed up, I feel like, or dressed down, just depending on what you want to do. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I am going to give this a 9, because I'm sorry, a 9.5. Like, this is almost up there with that yellow one. But I really, really, really like this one. I just feel so cute in it already. It really fits my vibe, my aesthetic. Yeah, so I'm going to give you guys another tour of the dress, and we'll get on to the last one. So we are headed into the last item of my haul. This one went a little bit faster, but literally I only got, I think, 6 or 7 things, because I just wanted to add to my work clothes collection. So I'm going to get in the last one, and I'll come back to tell you about my overall experience. All right, you guys, we are back, and I am already in love. I'm in love, 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 love. I have a dress like this already that I did in a previous haul. It's green, and I love that dress so much, and I saw this dress, and I had to get it because I would wear that green dress every day if I could. I love that dress, and I love this dress. I got this in a 2X. Same type of fit. It fits here, kind of flares out, not much. This is so cute. Definitely compared with Chucks. I have some platform Chucks. I feel like I'm going to look so cute with this. But let me take a step back and show you guys. It has a little bit of ruffling here. I love this dress. I love it so much. It comes with this thing. It's so long. I feel like it's, meant to, of course, to wrap around your waist and tie. But it's so long. But I love this dress so much. I saw it and I was like, oh my God, I've got to get it. So on a scale of 1 to 10, of course, this is a 10 for me because it fits, and I feel like it's perfect for not only work. You can wear this like on an outing. Like, all of these dresses you could wear out and about with like your friends, your family, church. I mean, I feel like, except for the pink ribbed one, I feel like that one's a little, no, I feel like it's fine. I feel like it's fine. You can wear all of this anywhere. It doesn't have to just be at work. But for me, the purpose of this haul was for work and work alone, because I have a lot of work clothes, but I wanted some more. And everything I bought was a 2X, which was a 16, or equates to a 16 in Shein size. I do have a bonus Jonas for you guys. I picked this up at Walmart. I definitely had to have this because I have another shirt just like it, and I love that shirt, and I feel like it is perfect. So, and I saw this and I was like, gotta have it. So let me put that on, and then I'll come back and wrap up my video with you guys. For real. All right, you guys. So this is the last piece. This is not a Shein piece, but this is a Walmart piece. I found this in the men's section of Walmart today. I guess they're rolling out their fall stuff because it's going to be fall soon. And you guys know I love a good mustard yellow color, whatever. So this is like a very grungy, it's a button down shirt. I love it so fucking much. I love it so much. I feel like it would be so cute with some chucks or with some biker shorts. I definitely want to run it through the wash and dry it so it'll kind of start to get worn. Like this is the shirt I was telling you guys about that I love. It's been washed and dried. It's the same type of shirt. It's just blue and gray. One of my friends called it my Debo shirt, but I love it. And it's grungy. It goes good with heels. I've worn it to the club. If I can find a little clip, I'll put that in here. I've worn it to the club with like a little black dress under it. I have a little gray number that I feel like this would look good with. This will look good with jeans. This will look good with biker shorts and look good with some little flats that I have. I'll wear this on the weekend with friends, like just as a dress. I love clothing like this. So if you go to Walmart and you see these and you're into this type of stuff, I was born in the 80s and lived majority of my childhood through the 90s. So I have a very soft spot for 90s fashion, things of that nature. But anyways, I just want to show you guys this. Like I really, really, really love it. I love it. Love it. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I know it wasn't my typical, you know, let's buy skimpy, sexy clothes. I wanted to actually get some clothing for work because I needed to get some clothing for work. Because, you know, yeah, can't wear skimpy clothes for work. I mean, you can, but I'm not going to. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have made it this far in the video, drop a pair of pants. Drop the pants emoji in the comment section. Let me know you made it to this point. Even though I didn't buy any pants and there's no pants in this haul, drop some pants in the comment section. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for being here. If you would like to and you have not, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button, become a member of my family. I would love to have you here. Also, you can join me over on my Facebook group, One Bite at a Time. It's a safe place to talk about hard things. I love you guys. Be good to each other, but most importantly, be good to yourself. And it may include you having a little shopping spree with Shein. I mean, I do it at least once every 3 months, and it's so worth it. Oh, and for all those pieces that I've shown you guys, I paid around $82. So can't beat it for like 6 or 7 dresses. You can't even go to Ross, you know, which is like, you know, I feel like, you know, cheaper on the totem pole and get 6 dresses for $80 or a little bit over $80. It's just not gonna happen. Anyways, love you guys to the moon and back. I will see you in the next video. Until then, stay beautiful. What am I even saying? My beautiful girl wanted to say goodbye. Say goodbye. All right, you guys, we love you. Say we love you. All right, we'll see you later. Bye. Say bye. Bye.